क्या क्या? Oh, bad idea. Hi. Hi. Well, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Why are you like this? This is me. I planned this trip, but not really well. क्या नहीं चल रहा तुम लोग? अबे क्या मैं इधर डर के बैठी हूँ, मैं ऐसे ही बैठी कब से?
इतने लोग आते हैं क्या लेह में ये टाइम पे? ये बोल रहा है लेह फुल पैक है पैक.
This is Maharshi, my friend and ace photographer who knows everything but does nothing about it. Some other place. Let's not go to Leh.
तीन लोग हैं हम लोग.
Open नहीं कौन? किसने मंगवाया है? You bought Pringles.
पीयूष नहीं खाता ऐसे पैक्ड फूड. गिर रहा हूँ मैं पीछे.
कितना गंदा है वो देखना. Dude, in the photos, this was the first hotel on Make My Trip. Can you imagine?
अपन फोटोग्राफर है तो अपन कैसा येड़ा बनाते.
किसको? पागल शूट करने जा रही हूँ idiot.
So where are we going finally?
नूबरा वैली.
ले जा रहे हैं पागल.
ले तो जा रहे हैं तो ले में कहाँ जा रहे हैं? लाइक ले जा
ले से नूबरा.
ले जा ये हम लोग उधर जाके ये डांस करेंगे. ले जा सोनिए ले जा.
ये सो गई.
हेलो
हेलो.
आना बाहर.
हाँ तू आ गई.
हाँ
ठीक है रुका है.
Good morning. This is 4 AM with Larissa in real time.
Welcome to the first episode of the Leh series. This one is all about our journey from Delhi to Leh and a first day of acclimatization.
Larissa, how do you feel?
I feel like I'm on the top of the world. Like literally we are at what altitude?
11,000.
11,000 I think.
10,
There's no network here to find out about the places either. But we are in a van currently and we are headed to our guest house. It's called Royal Guest House. And I've been flipping with the landscape already, like what I saw at the airport. I'm flipping with that, so I can't imagine what it's going to be like once we get to the places. This visually, it was like this, like in my head, like these markets and like uphill.
It's 11,480 feet.
11,000.
11,000. So
Round figure.
Maharshi was right. You've been here before, right, Maharshi?
Yes, I've been here for like 25 days.
So this is the third time me and Maharshi are traveling again. We went to Kolkata first, then we went to Varanasi. Then now we are in Leh, and behind the camera we have Piyush.
Yeah, the rarest animal in the video now. Oh shit.
This is Piyush, my friend and ace videographer. Never eats junk and laughs at all my jokes. This is the room. This is the beautiful room, and it has a balcony. ये वाला?
Yes, ma'am. Balcony.
Oh, wow, Maharshi, look, it's so cute. And this is the view. This is the whole view from our place. I think it's pretty good. We got this place for 4,500 for 2 rooms per day, which is I think very good.
You're breathing heavy.
Nice, now. We were a little doubtful
Just check the
because we booked this place last night. In typical.
But it's good.
Oh, it's nice. I think like 10 people can sleep inside. Okay, let's check out the other room. It's nice and cute. So I think that room is going to be our chilling room, right?
Yes, this is only
Yeah. But that.
luggage room.
But we'll keep this room clean. मैं पहले ही बोल रही हूँ तुमको.
नहीं मैं तो थूक के जाऊँगा.
What's up, guys? We are in Leh. Finally, this is my first time here in Leh, and I'm so excited to be exploring this part of India. I've been wanting to come here since such a long time, and the day has finally arrived. We are in Leh, which is the largest town in the district of Ladakh, and we are at an altitude of 11,000 feet. So you need to acclimatize when you come here, and this is our first day, so we are doing that. We're doing exactly that, taking it very easy, and everyone has to do it because यहाँ पे बहुत सांस फूलती है when you're walking. So make sure you do that. We're staying at that beautiful property called New Royal Guest House, and right now we are headed to the market and some famous spots around this place. So let's get into it. So currently we are in this place called Roti Wali Gully, and you see local people making bread here. And our guide gave us a very interesting trivia that this has been a very old location for making bread, and everybody, it was kind of a ritual later on, like it started off as a ritual later on for every kid to pick up one piece of bread and go to school. It looks so yummy, it smells so good. So currently we are in the Leh main market, and right behind us is the hub of the Silk Route. So the exchange of goods would happen right here behind us. Long ago, now it doesn't happen.
Yeah, sure.
And this is also the masjid that was created by the king of this place,
Yeah,
right?
Namgyal dynasty's king.
Yeah, he made it for his wife who was a Muslim. So that's so sweet. So this is the masjid, and he would go to pray to that monastery up there. Which monastery would he go to?
Semo Namgyal monastery is up there from the palace. We'll
I
go
think
soon.
we are going to go there, right?
Yeah, soon.
So this is the market right behind us. It looks great, and we already purchased a lot of things from here. After exploring the Leh main market area, we headed towards the Semo Namgyal monastery through the rugged old town. Did you know the old town of Leh was added to the World Monuments Fund's list of 100 most endangered sites due to increased rainfall from climate change, and the rapid and poorly planned urbanization of the town has increased the risk of flash floods.
So this is where you know, generally people make these houses for the labor and all who are coming in. They settle this side.
Okay.
And you'll see now the vast difference when you go up and see the other side.
Okay, so we are heading towards the Leh Palace. One thing you shouldn't do is run upwards while you're in the old town of Leh because it gets you really tired. We are now heading to the Leh Palace. So this palace is built only with mud, stone and wood, and it's a 9-storied building. So that's crazy. I think that's some architecture, and you can see the whole town of Leh from here. It's beautiful. What a sight with all these mountains covering it from all sides. Like all sides of the town you have the mountains. It's so beautiful. What a view! Puppy line. Puppy. So scared. Puppy with a view. Hi. Hi. We gotta go up there. ये मेरा दोस्त है और हम जा रहे हैं ले पैलेस में. चलो. So a tip when you're going uphill, breathe from your nose, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we are at 11,000 feet right now. Oh, that's insane. Woo, woo, woo. Gotta keep running. क्या? We're almost there. Nose. Breathe from your nose. At one point, you might also feel like you want to puke. I don't want to puke. Let's go.
Not this time.
Not this time. This is the palace. We are finally here after climbing 1,000 and no, a few steps. We are here finally. So we are on top of the Leh Palace, and what you see here is Skampari, and that part is Leh. So Skampari doesn't really get vegetation and Leh does. So that is the reason a lot of laborers stay on this side, and that's why you see like a lot of houses being built here, even like going all the way up. Damn cute toilet, one of the cutest toilets I've seen.
That's waiting.
So यहाँ पे the frame is like so small. You just get inside and तुम्हारा business होने के बाद you just put मट्टी over the business you've done. The route from the market area to the palace uphill took us around 1 hour. It's quite steep without a proper route on this side. Else you can directly take the stairs to the palace from the other side. They say the best view comes after the hardest climb, and now I know why. So we are right now in the Monastery, and we are in this special room called the lamp room. You see there are so many lamps that are lit up here. The whole idea being that there should always be a lamp burning, and I think I totally believe in it, and I've started doing it in my house. This whole thing about lighting a lamp always and keeping it burning, it's so beautiful, and it's so warm in here. This is the local saag, organic, fresh vegetables, and just for a change I'm having vegetarian food. I think, you know, my company is like vegetarian food, so I'm gonna try more of like vegetarian stuff. And this is really good. We ordered this. We ordered some vegetable soup, but we also ordered some paratha. I don't know how much we're gonna eat. Marchi.
You ordered it.
I ordered it. We're gonna take some to the room so that we don't feel hungry in the night. ये टेस्ट करना है तुझे? हाँ, खाना तो है एक मिनट.
All thanks to this.
The missing Arnab.
Lovely. Arey, you know what? My pants are really tight. I have to mention this. One thing I don't like about like the cold is that you have to wear so many clothes. So you know your pants, you're very compact like inside clothes. Namaste.
This is our chef.
बहुत अच्छा बना है खाना.
बहुत अच्छा है. Iced tea soup सब iced tea का. Honey और ginger tea.
जिंजर टी
Goat tea
बहुत
और
अच्छा
soup
बना
भी
था.
बहुत मस्त था.
ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. हम वही वो भी बता रहे कैमरा पे. So, like I was saying, my pants are too tight, but I've opened like my button.
And it's coming one by one.
One by one, one button is coming off. Yeah, I'm doing like what Joey did. He's wearing his food pants. It's slightly cold. You know, I've come from Goa, so cut me some slack. I am feeling cold. I'm prepared though for our itinerary. Let's see how that goes. So, you know, one thing I really want to take away from this trip from Piyush is, you know, that's what I do like when I'm traveling with like friends and like different company, is you take away something from your travel. And I think Piyush has always been this person who has inspired me to live a much more healthier life. Like, you have. And like, especially his eating habits, it's like so to the point. Like, there is no bullshit in the middle. I mean, not literally, but you get my point. You know, there's like vegetables and raw food, and I love to eat while I'm traveling, but if I'm at home, and I really want to keep this routine. Good job, Piyush. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. Okay,
Piyush,
I'm
what
feeling
do you
awkward
feel
now.
about it?
One thing I'm happy about is I remember like I don't know how many years back.
Yes.
How
You
many years
have to
back?
say this.
How many years back?
4 years, I think.
I would reply to some message of Larissa in the morning at around 4 o'clock, and Larissa is like, "Tu sone ka so kab raha hai? When are you sleeping?" And I'll be like, "I just woke up," and she's like, "Oh, now I'm going to sleep."
Yeah.
And then I remember she used to like sleep till like 8 or 9 earlier, and then slowly, she's getting at 6 o'clock, and then now she's up at 4 o'clock, and that is so amazing.
Yeah, my inspirations for this 4 a.m. thing that I usually do is definitely Piyush. Then there is this friend of mine, Nakul. Then there is this friend of mine called Megha. All these people have inspired me so much to wake up early.
In reverse, she's always inspired us as well to be fit and everything. Anyways, it's good. This was supposed to be a Sabzi review. Sabzi is good. Yeah, come and eat it away.
All right.
Travel for me has always been about the journey more than the destination, and this episode portrays just that. And here are some photos we took that I couldn't not show you. Coming up next are some spots we covered on our second day around Leh and some conversations and views you cannot miss. Stay tuned for the next episode to experience Ladakh like never before.